Christopher Norris here from mining.com.au. Joining me today is True North Copper Managing Director, Marty Costello. Marty, welcome.
How are you, mate?
Mate, very well. Marty, some promising drill results back today indicating significant high-grade copper and gold deposits. Give us a little bit of an overview.
We've been drilling for the last 4 months out at Wallace North. We've drilled over 9,400 metres. Now, those results are starting to trickle back from the lab. So far, it really confirms our view that Wallace North for us is a high-grade copper as well as gold deposit, which we intend to develop further going forward.
The IP geophysics and historic EM indicate substantial depth to the Wallace North system, pointing to new targets. How does this set True North Copper apart from peers, especially in the context of recent discoveries in the Mount Isa inlier?
We're only approximately 30 kilometres from Eloise, so the IP really is exciting for us. Eloise is an underground copper mine that's been going for about the last 20 years. The IP shows to us that Wallace North might have substantial depth to it, and we're quite excited about exploring that further. To date, all our exploration has been focused on resources that could be mined from at a potential open pit level. So this drilling combined with this IP show that the high-grade nature of this mineralisation may continue further at depth, which is really exciting for us to continue to explore going forward.
Marty, Wallace North is already showing impressive figures. With the recent discovery of multiple zones outside the current resource shell, can investors expect a substantial revision to these figures in the near future?
Most definitely, Chris. Once we receive all our drilling results and the appropriate QA/QC processes have been undertaken, we will definitely recut the resource with the intent to go one step further and converting that resource into a reserve. This is expected to happen before the end of Q1 next year.
And Marty, the Cloncurry Project seems to be revealing more and more potential. How are these findings at Wallace North influencing the broader strategy and exploration plans for the entire Cloncurry hub?
Chris, our intention for the Cloncurry Project is for it to be greater than a 7 to 10 year mine life, producing 10 to 15,000 tonnes of copper per annum. Since we've been listed, we've announced an initial reserve statement of over 4 million tonnes. We expect this drilling success at Wallace North and the advanced grade control drilling we've undertaken at Wallace North to further add to those reserve tonnes, adding further mine life to our project at Cloncurry, which all in all, we hope gives us a lot of confidence and our investors a lot of confidence that we will be a copper producer of substance and size in Cloncurry in the years going forward.
That was Marty Costello, Managing Director of True North Copper. Marty, thanks very much for your time.
Thanks very much, Chris.